Stop buying these bags brand new. Seriously. Luxury bags are one of the few fashion purchases where the resale market actually makes more financial sense. And before you come for me, yes, some bags do appreciate in value, but even then, I'd still buy them pre owned. And here's why. Most luxury bags lose value the second you walk out of the store, like a new car. Now, take Chloe for an example. A Chloe Faye retailed around 1.8 to 2 lakh rupees, but today you can find one in an excellent condition around 60,000 rupees only, and that's a huge depreciation. The same goes for MK and a Coach bag. A Coach signature hobo that retailed around 20,000 rupees can be easily found for 5 to 7,000 rupees on the resale market. MK bags often lose 50 to 70% of the retail value within just a few years, but not every brand behaves the same way. LV is a completely different story. Classic styles like the Neverfull, Alma, and Speedy retain value incredibly well because the demand never really disappears. Then there's Dior. The book tote is interesting. Retail prices have increased multiple times over the past few years, which has helped resale prices stay relatively strong. And then, of course, there's Chanel. The classic flap is basically in a category of its own. Repeated price increases have pushed some of the Chanel bags into an investment territory. Some vintage Chanel bags are actually worth more today than when they were originally purchased. But here's the thing, even if a bag appreciates, I'd still buy it pre owned. Why? Because someone else has already absorbed the retail markup. You're often saving 30 to 50% getting an authenticated bag and buying into the circular economy. And honestly, I'd rather spend 3 lakhs on a pre owned Chanel than 6 lakh at a boutique. Luxury isn't about being the first owner, it's about owning the piece that you love at the smartest price possible. Would you buy luxury new or pre owned? Tell me in the comments.